Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to look into themes. To select a theme, you have to go to your title bar, select your title, settings. Now you will have some bunch of themes here which you can select. Let's say I have cluster night mode, one of my favorites. Then I have obviously altered the whole theme over here. So you have a dark theme, but I've altered to be a little gray or something like that. So that was my preference and my need. You can obviously add a lot of colors option. So in colors, as you can see, I have added a bunch of options which actually you don't get on by the stock color. I have actually kept the stock color as well of 100 colors and 12 colors also, but I have kept my own set of colors also. So these colors are actually created by me. So you can go online and you can find these set of colors. But let's say you want to create your own theme, so you can go into sensetheme.com. So you just need to go to your Google and search for sense theme. Over to there you will find create or browse. You can go to browse and you will have that gallery over there. So these are all Qlik Sense themes. You can just customize or download it and then you can use it. Okay, so it is like an extension. You can just take the theme, you can upload it to your Qlik Sense environment. If it is, let's say, Qlik Sense Cloud or Qlik Sense Enterprise, then you have to go into your QMC extension tab. Over to there you have to import the zip, or else if you are in the desktop edition, you have to open the zip, copy the folder and paste it in your C drive, documents, Qlik Sense extension, and just paste it over here. I have all my themes over here. This is one of the way that you can do. Over to here, if let's say I just take one of them and I say customize, then you can give your theme a name, your description, you want to inherit the Qlik style or not. So I personally advise you to please check this. So if you want some font size that is to be altered, then you can choose these. You can see global colors or something like that, and you can pick your dimension colors and everything, and you can add more colors also, but you need to pay for premium over here. For measure color or for dimension color, you can only add one over there. So this is a free version, okay, but this is just a JSON where you can just take a copy and paste and you can do that. For example, I download this. I have that downloaded now. You have the JSON file. I will say copy, paste in my desktop, and I will open this into, let's say, Notepad++. Over to here in data color palette, you will see all those scales here. Okay, so you just need to take those scales. You just can copy one of the scale, give it a unique name, give it a unique ID also. So this should be absolutely unique. You have to make sure the ID is unique and the property value is also unique. Okay, you can just give 1 2 3 4 5 6 also, it's okay. The type, you want it as class. You have different types of actually types over there, gradient, something like that. Okay, those can be explored, and those you can give it a translation name, basically a name. Okay, and you can specify the color by comma. Okay, and then you can create that scale. If you don't want to do this also, a simpler way is go to Qlik Garden. Inside that you have an option called Qlik Sense theme. you will have some bunch of themes created by bunch of users. So this is the same company that we actually went to the website right now, but as you can see, there is my name also. So I can just tell you, just write my name, Ajay Kaka 93. Over to here you will have Qlik Sense styler and Qlik Sense styler light, and there is one more uh, option called as Qlik Sense styler mashup. Just open this mashup. You will have a YouTube link over here also. So this is actually available in your YouTube link also. You can go to your YouTube and basically see a video for the same. But over to here, the advantage is you don't have to pay a single penny and it is free. I'm going to add the link of the YouTube also into the description of this video, and you can look and understand how to use this. So this is kind of a manual function, but it was made 4 years ago when there was no theming API, and you can actually create that theme API from here also. So there has a bunch of options which are not updated frankly, but more or less the baseline is the same. So guys, this is all for this video. I'll meet you in the next one.